155 integrated review for 12.6. In this lecture video, let's take a look at how we can convert between units and metric involving with area. So what I got here is I wrote down US customary units of area up top. Okay, this is actually 1 acre. And then I got US to metric area equivalent on the left, metric to US area on the right, and I also copied the metric area, okay, area metric to metric. Okay, I actually copy and paste it down here for us to use it for reference. All right, so same thing as the previous video. Now we're just involving with ourselves with areas. All right, this is actually square yard to square feet. So this is actually US area to US area. So now we just got to focus up here. Okay, we don't need to go to matrix, go through matrix before go to another US. So let's see, square yard to square feet. We know yard is bigger than square feet already. Okay, 1 square yard is actually 9 square feet. So I do have a direct conversion. So square yard is larger. For large to small, we will multiply. And the conversion between yard and feet is 9. So this problem would just be 25 times 9. So where is the 9 come from? My answer is 225, okay? All right, square feet. Where does that 9 come from? Well, what the formula says is 1 square yard is equal to 9 square feet. So basically what's going on here is when you see square means you have a square. 1 square yard means you have a square that is 1 yard by 1 yard. So when you find the area, that's 1 square yard. But every 1 yard is also 3 feet. So 1 yard by 1 yard times one yard is also means 3 feet by 3 feet. So that's the reason why 3 times 3 give me 9 square foot. That's where the 9 come from. All right. Let's try another one. This one, what number of square yard is equivalent to 800 square kilometer? So basically, this problem is 800 square kilometer need to be convert into so many square yard. All right, so this is from metric area to US area, kilometer and square yard. Metric kilometers to square yard. All right, so right here on the right, I don't even have, okay, I do not have anything regarding to kilometer, but I know I need to end up with square yard. So what I got myself here is square meter to square yard. So the question is, can I take square kilometer to square meter? Yes, I can. That's why I got this right here. See right here, square kilometer can take me to square meter. So once I'm at square meter, then I can go to square yard. So that means this problem, the first thing I need to do is convert square meter to square kilometer to square meter, and then convert to square yard. All right, so I can actually do this problem all together using the dimensional analysis. 800 square kilometer over 1 times another fraction. Put my square kilometer down here, put my square meter up here, times another fraction. I don't want square meter, right? So I put one down here so the 2 can cancel out. Square meter can take me straight to square yard. So my conversion between square meter and square kilometer says 1 square kilometer is 1,000,000 square meter. So that's 1 to 1,000,000 ratio, 6 zeros. Square kilometer cancels out. My conversion from square meter to square yard, metric area to US area is 1 to 1.196. 1 square meter is 1.196 square yard. Alright, so now the square meter cancels out. So let me put this in the calculator for you. I think we will run into the scientific notation here, so I'm going to use this opportunity to show you. So 800 times a million, 1 was 60, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 1.196. Let me make sure it's 1.196. Sometimes I forget. Yep. So now the calculator, when I press equal enter, oh, no scientific notation. Sometimes what you see is a letter E, and a number behind it. That means times 10 to so many power. So this problem don't have it. Round to my answer to near 1,000 if necessary. I don't need it. So this is 9568. 9568. All right, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. All right, square yard. All right, that's a large area. What number of square yards is equivalent to 750 hectares? All right, 750 hectares is equal to so many square yards. All right, so I got hectares, I got square yard. Let's see, who do I need to go through here? So metric to US area. So I need to end up with square yard. So again, to get to square yard, I need to come from square meter. So let me write it down here. I need to go to square meter. So I need to go from hectare to square meter. See if I have a pathway here. Yes, I do. Hectare to square meter. Let me erase that. That'll be right here. So once again, just like the previous problem, okay, hectares to square meter, then to square yard. So let's write it out, then I can put my numbers in. So 750 hectare over 1 times, put my hectare down here, put my square meter up here, times. Since I don't really want my square meter anyway, I put 1 down here so they can cancel, take me to square yard. So I know 1 square meter is 1.196 square yard. All right, ratio between hectares and square meter, 1 to 10,000. 1 to 10,000. All right, so this one, hectare canceled out, square meter cancels out. So let's see what I got myself here. 750 times 10,000 times 1.196. All right, 897 with 4 zeros. 897 with 4 zeros. There you go. That would be so many square yard. Voila. All right, convert 90 square inch. So this is starting with US now to square decimeter. That's equal to so many square decimeter. All right, so let's go find square inch. On the left side here, square inch. Again, square inch take me to square centimeter. If you don't mind me erase some of this real quick. All right, hang on a second now. I need to end up to be in square deci. So square inch can take me to square centimeter. So now the question is, can I go from square centimeter to square deci? So square centi to square deci is area for metric to metric. So that means I need to look right here. Square centi, square centi, and square deci. Oh, right here. Second line. Square centi and square deci. So there you go. I found my path right here. All right, so let's write it out real quick. So I'm gonna take my 90 inch. 90 square inch over 1 times another fraction, square inch down here. Square inch take me to square centi. And then I don't really want square centi, so I put one down here so it can cancel out. Square centi can take me to square deci. Alright, so let's see what my ratios are. Square centi and square deci is 1 to 100. 1 square deci is 100 square centi. Square inch and square, alright, 1 to 6.45. 6.45. 6.45. Alright, square inch cancels out, square centi cancels out, so I just end up with square deci. So this problem is simply 90 times 6.45, right? And then divided by 100. Then divide by 100. My answer, 58 points, round to the nearest thousand, so that will be 58.437. Square deci. Alright. So, this lecture video, we talk quickly about how to convert from US or metric area, okay, to another metric or US area. So, in many occasions, we have to go through, again, another units in the middle in order to reach the unit that I desire. All right. So, our technique, dimension analysis, does come in handy when we, especially when we convert for units that we don't really normally use. All right. That will conclude this lecture video. Thank you for watching.